Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get super badges in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to get any badges in Salesforce, you will need to subscribe or to sign up in the Trailhead Salesforce. So basically, just access trailhead.salesforce.com, which is the learning platform for Salesforce. And basically, after that, you will need just to learn or use or pass the trails that will make you gain the super badges. So from here, this is the super badges page of Salesforce or the trailhead, and from here we will find or we can see all the super badges in Salesforce or specifically trailhead. Basically, let's suppose we want to gain this prompt builder templates super badge. So I'm just going to click on it. And from here, it will give us on how or the prerequisites that we want or that we need to gain this super badge. So basically, you will need to have this first super badge. You gain these badges first, then you will be able to have this prompt builder super badge. So basically, all you need to do is to use or to pass all these programs or trails. So either you can click on add to new trail mix, so you can have them here in your trail mix from here, and you will start pass them one by one. So you can have some guided learning, or you can simply go and start clicking on each module or trail to gain the access or to gain these badges, and basically at the end you will be able to gain the super badge and you will have your super badge in your profile. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.